Most people get this wrong. They assume Fundora is just another payday advance for BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Fundora has grown into a comprehensive financial tool, offering early wage access, flexible installment payments, and budgeting tools all on one platform. When used responsibly, it can help manage short-term cash flow without getting trapped in high-interest debt. Here's how Fundora works. First, it lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is ideal for unexpected bills, urgent purchases, or emergencies. Second, you can split eligible purchases into smaller installments over several weeks with predictable, flat fees rather than traditional interest. This makes it much easier to plan your budget and avoid surprises. Fundora also provides spending dashboards, alerts, and reminders. These tools help you track your payments, stay on top of deadlines, and avoid late fees. Essentially, it's designed to promote financial responsibility while giving you flexibility. The downside, overuse can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and relying too heavily on Fundora may mask underlying financial problems rather than solve them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds or split payments that you can realistically repay on time. 2. Enable notifications and reminders for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Fundora. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment discipline may end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Fundora in 2026 is a practical and convenient financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Keep track of fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and actionable tips to stay in control of your money.